Welcome, loves to Makeup Channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be recreating Kylie Jenner's makeup look, and we're going to be focusing on this beautiful cherry cola lip. If you're interested in how to get this done within some short period of time, keep on watching and let's get started. I saw a TikTok from Kylie Jenner when she showed a lip combination where she used only two products, a lip pencil and a lip gloss. Today I'm going to be showing you a little bit different routine in case you have none of this product in your collection. I'm going to be showing what you can do. Okay, let's get started. I will, as usually, prime my face and hydrate it. Okay, let's use regular products. Aqua Peeling AHA toner. You can totally skip this step. Then lebelage cream. This is sun cream. Nivea aftershave lotion and MAC prep+prime. I'm almost out of this Catrice HD liquid coverage foundation. Okay, I'm gonna grab my foundation brush, liquid product, and go on top. A lot of the times I would use green and purple to neutralize yellow and then add a little bit of a green, but today I want to skip this step because I'm not going out anywhere and I don't want to waste some good product. Okay, we're gonna go with a little bit of concealer. On top, this is a shade of bronzer, and I'll add a little bit in this spot. And with a fluffy brush, I'm blending this into foundation. Okay, some leftovers for the nose dip, but she has really pretty blush on top. I will combine Karl Lagerfeld lipstick. I'm not gonna do a lot, not much. And then go with my moisturizer. Mix it all together like this. And either grab a brush or a beauty blender. I will go with a beauty blender. I guess this way it's so much better to transfer your products. Let's play this way today. I'm gonna take off a little bit of the product in the back of the hand. Just place it the other side of my cheek. And finally, we're gonna do a little bit of concealer to curve out the brightness. I'm using my Sephora concealer. This is brightening one. A little bit in this area. And of course, my forehead, a little bit this area, and my chin. For the under eye area, I'll go with L.A.Girl PRO.conceal. This is color fairest. I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend this out. And let's set everything with powder. I'm using pressed and Catrice powder and my big and fluffy brush. Honestly, you're good to go. You can avoid any more steps, but let's add a little bit of bronzer over my forehead. Mix with these soft colors. Tap it off, just transfer over forehead, tone down the nose tip. And I guess this is it. I'm not going to add any more contour. I don't really want to add a lot more blush. The only thing that I will add on top is highlighter. I can do a mix of both. This is Wet n Wild. Grab a little bit over my highlighter brush and add this healthy glow. She definitely has a little bit of her chin. I guess this is it. I do believe she has some nose contour, but we added a little bit of blush and bronzer over the tip of the nose. And I guess we don't really want to overpower the look with too much bronzers. And last but not least is going to be my Ultra Fixing Last Fixing Spray. Transfer-proof, waterproof, no alcohol, no perfume. I doubt that. We talked about that. Let's move on. I'll dab everything with a beauty blender. Slightly. I don't want to ruin the whole look. But while this whole thing is wet, I'll add a little bit more highlighter on top. I'm gonna do my brows. I'm outlining with the brow pencil my natural shape, filling in with the same pencil, adding a brow mascara, and then filling this in with NYX brow pencil. To the simplest part of the look, I will set with the same powder my lids. I believe she's not wearing anything over lids. And now I'm gonna coat lashes with some simple mascara. Catrice Curl It Volumizing Mascara. And finally, we're doing Cherry Cola Lip. Okay, I don't really have a lot of her products, and honestly, I guess she's using some cool tone brown, but apparently with a little bit of lip gloss, tinted lip gloss on top. It turned out to be burgundy shade. I have my warm tone brown, and my lips are a little bit dry to use some balm, and I will have a thick layer of lip contour. Okay, this is violet number 12, and let's place a little bit of this ultra long lasting 508 Parisia brand, I guess, lip liner. It's actually eyeliner, but it says you can use it for eyes and lips Okay, let's talk about tinted lip glosses. I have one from Makeup Revolution, but this is super pink. It's like a bright pink color, and I guess we can use it and play around, but at first I'm gonna need a little bit of this Makeup Revolution Pro Lipstick Vamp Noir. This is really, really pretty vamp style. Use red if you have red lipstick, or maybe tinted lip glosses with the same color. I'm not going to use any concealers. I'm going to use really fair lipstick and place it in the center to tone down the brightness of this lipstick. A little bit more and soft. So let's add a little bit of this tinted lip gloss. And then a little bit of this Essence Clear Lip Gloss on my brush. So it's giving this really cool juiciness. This might not be the same exact lipstick as Kylie wore, not the same lip pencil as she did, but it's really similar and it's really, really pretty. I'm gonna real quick change and conclude the video. Well guys, and this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. This was really fun to recreate because I love bright, colorful lip combination. I guess an eyeliner could work with this look pretty much great as well, but this is super, super simple if you want to focus on your foundation and only your lip color. Still looking gorgeous. Give it a try. It's really pretty. It's super, super sexy, and it's for fall vibes. Just perfect lip tutorial. Give it a try. Let me know in the comments, and I hope I'm going to see you in my next video, guys. Bye-bye.